Cesar, we have Sweet Victory pass to begin. Roadmaster rushing about the outside, racing eagerly for the lead is Magnolia's Classic. Magnolia's Classic, the leader by about 2 lengths. Roadmaster in second, Golden Pyramid. Sweet Victory is racing in fourth, and on the outside moving up is Queen Maker, then followed over by Giginhawa, Outstanding Manager Francis, then followed over by number 3 A-Star Quality, Supervised Secret of the West, and Melodious trails the field. Now we have a Roadmaster by Abaralengkarehapa, Magnolia's Classic in second, 3 lengths of third, Sweet Victory, Queen Maker in fourth, Golden Pyramid is racing in fifth, Manager Francis, Supervised also moving up, Roadmaster, Magnolia's Classic, Sweet Victory is down on the inside, racing in fourth, Queen Maker, Manager Francis, Supervise, Magnolia's Classic now takes the lead, Sweet Victory in second, Manager Francis now in third, then comes Queen Maker, Supervise, as they come down at the last 150, Magnolia's Classic, Manager Francis now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Manager Francis, followed by Magnolia's Classic, Sweet Victory to take second, and nearing the finish line, it's all Manager Francis. Second, Sweet Victory, Supervised, then comes Magnolia's Classic, Secret of the West, Roadmaster.
712-1095, Sweet Revenge.
Sabi siya, single lang tayo dyan. Iba ita.